Good Monday, almost afternoon, East Coast, 3:25 on a Monday, 11:36. See, Mickey clock temperature. But here's the. I said I was going to upload more videos on this television, but I'm going to show you where. See right here. Let's see if I can get it to focus. See right there. That's where. See, there's a break in there, but I already touched it here with the probe to heat that up to coat that. I had to put some paste over that. But up here, you know, if you look behind here, when someone replaced this before, they put one of these, not sure, but there's one of those there. And then there's the same little jobby right here. Alright, I'll show you again. If anybody who's watching wants to see that, see that again? There's the chassis. There's the code number. And remember, this board is quite a good size, and that's all you have to change. But you have to remember where to plug all the cords and stuff. So you have these right here. And see, here's the top look from what I saw. See, it was right here. You probably can see a little bit. Let's see, right down here is when they had this powered up. That was doing a little fire dance right underneath. And that's where it was. Yeah, I forgot to show one other thing here. See, there's the Samsung, and this is the front where the speakers are covered by this. Yeah, here's the other. I have another Samsung. This was my very first Samsung. I don't know if I mentioned it in another video or not. But this Samsung, 1993. Let me see if I can get around to where the label is. It was one of the first models I had that didn't have the AV jacks. But you probably could have put your own in there. Right now I actually have that sitting on top of this Samsung television. But this is the only issue I have on the board. That right here, that might be alright, but it just needs to be a new solder. Should be placed there and put some flux over it. So if I plug it in again, it will stay inside the flux. And it'll just power the television like it's supposed to.